In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Weebly website. To get started, sign into your Weebly account and open the site you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct account and working with the correct website before continuing, especially if you manage more than one site. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the option to edit the site and click Edit Site to enter the Weebly editor. After the editor loads, go to the settings area. This is where Weebly keeps many of the site-wide options, including the export feature we need for this process. Inside settings, use the menu on the left side and select General. If you don't see the section right away, just take a moment to look through the left panel until you find it. Next, scroll down the general settings page until you reach the archive section. This is the part of Weebly that allows you to create an export of your website files. Depending on the size of your site and your screen resolution, you may need to scroll a bit before you see it. When you find the archive section, enter your email address into the box provided. Be sure to use an email address you can access right away, since Weebly will send your export link there. After entering your email, click Email Archive. At this point, Weebly will begin preparing your website archive. In many cases, this happens fairly quickly, but it can take a little time depending on the site. Now head over to your inbox and look for the email from Weebly. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a few minutes and check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once the email arrives, open it and click the download link included in the message. That link will let you download your website archive as a zip file. After the zip file finishes downloading, it's a good idea to save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated backup folder. This archive can be useful if you want a local copy of your site files for record keeping or migration purposes. Just keep in mind that exported files may not always include every dynamic feature exactly as it appears on the live website, so it's best to treat this as a website archive rather than a perfect full platform clone, and that's how to export a Weebly website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.